So Natya Shastra is a very important thing. And there is a Natya Veda. Natya is an amalgamation of dance, drama, and Abhinay. So community dancing is Bhimbetka. So Bhimbetka is a rock cut architecture. We found a community dancing. And bronze dancing girl we found in Indus Valley. First formal mention Natya Shastra, that was 2nd century AD. Lasya means it denotes the grace. Lasya means what is your have grace. Bhava, Rasa, Abhiyan. Feminine, it is feminine. Tandav is male aspect. Tandav. So Tandav is more emphasis on rhythm and movement. It is about the movement and rhythm. And Nitya means it refers to the basic dance step performed rhythmically but devoid of any expression. There are some expressions and that is called the Nitya. Natya means dramatic representation. Natya means drama, dramatic representation. Nitya means expression. Nitya means expression. And Natya means dramatic representation. And Nitya means refer to the sentiment and emotion evoked through the dance. Nitya. And Nitya means the sentiments which are in the dance. Natya means drama. Nitya means devoid of the expression. And Nitya, Nitta, it is ta. Nitta. Nitta means the expression. And Nitya, yeah. Nitya means sentiments and emotion. So there is a Shringar. Shringar means love. Okay, Shringar means love. And Hasya means laughter. Karuna means tragedy. Bhayanak means horror. And Abhuta means wonder. And Shant means peace. And Veer means heroism. And Bibhatska means disgust. And Rudra means anger. So mode of expression is mudras, and these mudras are combination of the hand gesture and body posture. So Sangeet Natak Akademi is the 8th classical form of the dance, and these are first is oldest among the dance, that was the Bharatnatyam. It is Rukmani Devi Anundel and Krishna Iyer. So Devadasi of the Tamil Nadu were doing this dance. That was the Dashiyatam. And there is a Allaripu. Allaripu means included the basic dance posture, which is the Allaripu, and that is rhythmic syllabus. And Jati Swaram, it is Nitta. It is Nitta component. Nitta component is the Jati Swaram, and that is mainly expressions. Shabdam is the element of the express the words, and Varnam means dance and emotions. Emotions are the Varnam. And Padam means your expression of spiritual message, like what are your emotions. And Javali means short love lyric. Short love is the Javali. And Tilana is the stage of the performance of the comprises of the pure dance. So Tilana is called the pure dance. Pure dance is called the Tilana. Okay. Now the Tanjore Natyam, it is Bharatnatyam is often fire dance, and we know about the Bharatnatyam, that is often a fire dance. And the equal emphasis of the Tandav and Lasya and Katak Mukha Hasta, that was the finger of joint symbolize Om and Katak Mukha Hasta, and knee are mostly banded. And Ekcharya Lasyam, it is Ekcharya and Lasyam. Okay, now there is a Kachipudi. Next one is Kachipudi. Kachipudi is in the Andhra Pradesh, group of actors going to village, and Bhagavad Purana and the Bhagavad based on that, it is Kulleshwari or the Kachaleshpuram Bama Kallapam. Dances gained prominence under the patronage of Vijayanagar and Golconda ruler. And there is a Bala Bala Saraswati and the Ragini Devi, both are important for this dance. It involves the difficult foot movement. Okay, one is foot movement. Second is secular theme. Theme are secular. Third is the daru. Daru means the stage of the introduce, that is which is the small composition of dance. Dance involve all the three components: nitya, natya, and the nitya. Solak, patak. Nitya part is the movement of the body mat, and Kutswaram. Kutswaram means nitya part is more the expressive acrobatics. Now, both Lasya and Tandav is important. Combined role of the singer, performance of solo element of Kachipudi as well as group element, and Manduke Sabdam is a frog, and Tarangam is the feet of the edge of the brass plate. So they are using the brass plate as a feet, that is known as the Tarangam. And Kuchipudi is the Karnataka music violin and the famous proponent of the Radha Reddy. Okay, now is the Kathakali. Second is the Kathakali. Kathakali is known as the Kerala, and that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana and Mahabharata. And it was Kathakali V.N. Menon and the Mukur Raja. That was the word Katha meaning story. Kali meaning drama. It is performance also the wonderful combination of music, dance and drama. Music, dance and drama. And that was revived in 1930. The Malayali V.N. Menon under the Mukundra Raja. That was in Kerala and the Maharashtra. So Kathakali is basically, there is some colors in the Kathakali, which is green is indicate the nobility, red for the royalty, black for the weakness, evil, yellow for the woman, and completely red painted face is the evil, and the white board is called divinity. So most Kathakali is based on good and evil. Language used is the Mani Pravalam, and music, gestures movement, eye movement, and open air theatre is generally they use. Chenda and the Madala, that is the sky, is also Kathakali symbolize this element. Now Mohini Attam, dance of the Enchantress Mohini meaning beautiful woman. This is a solo dance of the Kerala. It is also in the Kerala, and it is Kalyani Amma and V.N. Menon, both was famous for this. This is grace, elegance, and the footwork is gentle. So there is the grace and elegance, and also the footwork. Lasya is very important, like beauty and grace, element of air, and Atavakos, and the proponent of the Sunanda Nair. Now next one is Odissi dance, Udaygiri Khandigiri, and that was, it is practiced the Maharis and Jain. So that Odissi dance was the Goti Pura and the Nartala. So Odissi dance is the Goti Puas and the Nartala. And this is the Bharatnatyam के similar होता है. Odissi Tripanga posture होता है, and it is Tripanga, and the choke posture also, and the graceful sensory geometrical shape and the mobile sculpture, and Mangala Charan, that was the beginning of the flower. Batu Nritya, that was the dance, and Pallavi facial expression, and Thairijam, that was the consisting conclusion, and Trikanda and Moksha is also joyous moment of the liberation, and symbolize the element of water also, and elaborate hairstyle, jewelry. Famous proponent is Guru Pankaj and Guru Kelu, Sonal Mansingh. Manipuri dance is the origin of the celestial dance of Shiva and the Parvati in Manipur. Lai Haroba, name is Lai Haroba, and Raj Vaishnavism is the main theme of the, generally by the female they perform this. Raja Bhagchandra and Rabindranath Tagore, two limelight in this dance, and features Manipuri, not devotion but not sensuality, but both Tandav and Lasya emphasize Naga Bandha Mudra. That was 8 important posture of Manipur. It is known as Naga Bandha and Mudra. And Ras Leela is also, they do Ras Leela, And pang is indicate the element of recital. And thangta is what? Thangta is means the sankirtan of the Manipur dance. Now Kathak dance. Kathak is the Uttar Pradesh, that was the Kathika, like storytelling, and this is gesture and the music. This is the Lucknow, that was the Nawab Wajid Shah. Jaipur Bhanuji. Raigad, that was patronage of the Chakradhar Singh. And Banaras. Now there was the Anand, or the introductory item of the enter stage. Thaat was the comprising soft movement. Tada and the Tukda was also there, and the Jugalbandi was the attraction of the Kathak. So Jugalbandi was the attraction of the Kathak recital show, the competitively play. And Padant is a special feature which dancer is recital the complicated bowls. Tarana is the Tilana, and that is the comprises of pure rhythmic movement. And Gat Bava, that was without any music. And Drupad music, they were using the Drupad music. Now next one is Satriya dance. Satriya dance. This Satriya dance is based on the Shankara Deva and the Vaishnavites of Assam, and this is the dance was the amalgamation of the Assam and devotional mythological story of the Vishnu, and that was the male of monk, that was the bokots, and khol, cymbal and flute. Khol, cymbal and flute, they were using rhythmic syllabus posture along with the footwork, and there was a footwork also. Okay, Satra dance, that was a footwork also, and this Satra dance was famous in the Assam. It was famous in the Assam, and khol, cymbal and flute, they were using as a instrument. Rhythmic syllabus, dhoti and pagudi, turban, and guri and chador, they generally wear. And Ankiya Nat is the Satriya involved play of musical drama. So the play of musical drama, what is that? Is the musical drama in the Satriya dance is known as the Ankiya Nat. And the Bhavna is what? Bhavna is it is also called Bhavna. That is a drama, and that is involved the Lord Krishna story. Okay. Now next one is the Sangeet Natak Academy was 8 classical. Ministry of Culture is recognizing 9 classical dance. Okay. Now we are discussing about the folk dance. So folk dance is particularly about the locality of that area. So Chhau dance. Chhau dance is basically Chhaya. That was from the Chhaya, and that was the mask dance. That is the mask dance. And it is the Saraikela Chhau, that is in Jharkhand, and Mayurbanj Chhau, Odisha, and Purulia Chhau, Purulia in the West Bengal. Okay, and Sarkela is in the Jharkhand, Saraikela in the Jharkhand. Okay, and Mayurbanj in Odisha by name. Garba is in Gujarat. It is port and holes के साथ करते थे. And Dandiya Ras, that was also in the Gujarat. Tarangamel is in Goa. Name is Taranga and Mel, that is in Goa. Boomer is in Rajasthan. Bhil tribes do. Kalbelia in the Rajasthan. Serpent of the use this dance. UNESCO World Heritage inscribed in 2010. Charba is also a dance in Himachal Pradesh. Not a Garba, it is Charba in Himachal Pradesh. Bhangra in the Punjab. Ras Leela, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Dadra, it is in Uttar Pradesh. And Jawara dance in Madhya Pradesh. Jawara. So Jawara dance in the MP. And Matki dance, that was in the Malwa region. And Gaur dance, Gaur Moria, that was in Chhattisgarh. Gaur dance in the Chhattisgarh. Very important dance of Gaur, Chhattisgarh. Alkap dance is in the West Bengal, and performed by the troops and group में किया जाता था Alkap. That is in West Bengal. Biraha in the Bihar. Paika dance in the Odisha, and this Paika dance, that was in the Odisha. And Jatin in Bihar. Jhumar dance, Jhumar in the Odisha. Jhumar is also in the Odisha, and the Jhumar dance, that was in the Odisha. and Danda Jatra is a Odisha. Danda and Jatra, and it is also in the Odisha. And Bihu dance, it is in Assam. It is in Assam in the group dance. And Thangta dance, that was in Manipur. And it is in Manipur. It is a martial dance of the Manipur. And the name is Thangta. Rangama dance. Rangama is the Naga people of the Nagaland, and Bambu also. Singi Cham in Sikkim. Singi and Cham, that was a Sikkim name से ही पता चल रहा है Singi, like Sikkim. Kummi dance, it is in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, ये वुमेन करती हैं और म्यूज़िक होता है इनमें. Now next is the Mailattam dance है. Mailattam in the Kerala, and Mailattam dance in the Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Bura Katha, बूढ़े की कथा, Bura and Katha, that was the Andhra Pradesh. And Butta Bamalu, and Butta, बूढ़ा हो या Butta हो, it is Bamalu, that is also Andhra Pradesh. Koi Kotti Kalli, it is in Kerala. Koi Kotti and Kalli, that is in the Kerala. And Padiyani dance, and it is in also Kerala. Padiyani was famous in Chhattisgarh before, and that is music, but Padiyani dance in the Kerala. Kolkalli and Parichakli, it is in Kerala and Lakshadweep. Butha Arande in the Booth मतलब Bhutnath. Butha Aradhane, it is in Karnataka. Karnataka. Patta Kunita मतलब पट्टा मतलब कथा कहना, कुनीता, that is in Karnataka also. बैम्बू के पोल्स होते थे, उसमें पट्टा कुनीता बनाते थे. And चकियार कुत्थू डांस है केरला का. ठीक है, चकियार कुत्थू, दैट वाज माउटेज होते हैं स्पोर्ट्स में. चकियार कुत्थू, इट इज़ इन केरला. एंड झूमर पंजाब में फेमस है. कर्मा नाच जो है वो छोटा नागपुर में. राउत नाच इस छत्तीसगढ़ में, ये पूछा गया है. राउत इन द छत्तीसगढ़. देन दमाल भी पूछा गया है. दमाल है जम्मू कश्मीर में. फुगड़ी जो है वो गोवा में है. और चेरव मिजोरम में है. चेरव भी पूछा हुआ डांस है. चेरव इन द मिजोरम. ठीक है. और है डलकई डांस ओडिशा में है. ठीक है. अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं डांस से रिलेटेड. वो क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर. ठीक है. गरबा गुजरात में यस, और मोहिनीअट्टम ओडिशा में नो, इट इज़ केरला. एंड यक्षगान कर्नाटका यस. विथ रेफरेंस टू फेमस सात्रिया डांस, इसके बारे में बताना है. सेकंड का आंसर है Satriya is a combination of music, dance, drama. Yes, it is Vaishnavite of Assam. Yes, it based on the classical raga tala composed by the Tulsidas, Kabir, Mirabai. Yes, तीनों ही ठीक है. अगला क्वेश्चन है इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ कल्चरल हिस्ट्री डांस एंड ड्रामा कॉल्ड द त्रिभंगा. फेवरेट इंडियन आर्टिस्ट इज टिल टुडे. फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द पोज. ये इस पोज को कौन डिस्क्राइब करता है? वन लेग इज बेंट एंड द बॉडी इज स्लाइटली बट अपोजिटली कर्व्ड एट द वेस्ट एंड नेक. दैट इज कॉल्ड द त्रिभंगा. हाउ डू यू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन कुचिपुड़ी एंड भरतनाट्यम डांस? तो जो डांस ओकेजनली स्पीकिंग डायलॉग आर फाउंड इन कुचिपुड़ी डांस बट नॉट भरतनाट्यम. येस. डांसिंग ऑफ द ब्रास प्लेट, दैट इज़ फीचर ऑफ द कुचिपुड़ी. यहाँ भरतनाट्यम दे दिया इन्होंने. ठीक है. एंड द कुचिपुड़ी डांस डज नॉट हैव नो. कुचिपुड़ी में होता है बट भरतनाट्यम में नहीं होता है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है कि लिस्ट बतानी है. कलम दालम शेमावटी एंड दैट इज़ कलम दालम शेमावटी and that is in the Mohiniyattam. And Kattakal Sivaraman, that was in Kathakali. Lakshmi Vishwanathan, she is Bharatnatyam. And Madhbai Devi in the Manipur. Okay. Now नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं, कुछ और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं इसमें, बी ओके। रेफरेंस ऑफ द इंडियन डांस फॉर्म फाउंड इन नाट्य शास्त्र, ठीक है। नंदीकेश्वर अभियान दर्पण, नंदीकेश्वर अभियान दर्पण, सो दैट इज़ डांस है, ठीक है। नाउ विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट अमंग द 9 रस में नहीं आते हैं, वो कौन सा रस है? तो लावण्य नहीं आता है, ठीक है। विभत्स आता है, रुद्र आता है और अब अद्भुत भी आता है, बट लावण्य नहीं आता है। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म ऑफ द इंडिया, इंडिया की क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म बतानी है हमें। तो मोहिनीअट्टम है, फिर सात्रिया भी है और कथक भी है, बट छऊ तो फोक डांस है, क्लासिकल तो है नहीं। हाउ मेनी क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म? 8 हैं वैसे, बट वो 9 तो बाद में आया था, 8 ही है अभी। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट करेक्टली मैच, तो 6 का आंसर आ जाएगा सी, कच्चीपुड़ी। सितारा देवी नहीं है, कच्चीपुड़ी की नहीं है। भरतनाट्यम की रुक्मणी अरुंदेल है, मणिपुरी डांस के जेवारी सिस्टर हैं और ओडिसी की हैं सोनल मानसिंह, ठीक है। अगला क्वेश्चन है, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट, तो 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा लेडी लीला सोके रिवाइव द क्लासिकल स्टाइल कथक, यस, एंड देयर इज ए डिफरेंट घराना, यस। जुगलबंदी कहाँ होता है? तो कथक में होता है, पता है। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग डांस यूनेस्को इंटेंजिबल हेरिटेज लिस्ट में डाला गया है? तो कालबेलिया और छऊ दोनों को ही डाला गया है। अब इसके कुछ क्वेश्चन है। डिस्कस द तांडव डांस रिकॉर्डेड अर्ली इंडियन इंस्क्रिप्शन, डिस्क्राइब द बगुरुम्बा फोक डांस एंड लिस्ट द क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म ऑफ इंडिया, संगीत नाटक अकादमी, लिस्ट द सेलियंट फीचर ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट फोक डांस, राइट अबाउट द पेरिनी शिवा तांडव, write about the India ballet, write about the Kathakali, write short note on Manipuri dance, what is the main form of classical dance and indicate 2 feature, which of the following folk dance associated Dandiya Ras, Kangra, Karagam, Sosisi and Moni। तो फोक डांस कौन कौन से हैं ये बताना था। अगला क्वेश्चन था विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग रीजन इंडिया इज़ द फॉलोइंग डांसिंग एसोसिएटेड, ओडिसी, कच्चीपुड़ी, कथकली, मणिपुरी एंड कथक, ठीक है। वेयर डिड द फॉलोइंग फोक डांस इज ओरिजिनेट, कथा, कीर्तन, गिद्दा, बाउल, छऊ एंड यक्षगान। तो कर्नाटका में कौन सा होता है? दैट इज़ यक्षगान में, ठीक है। वैसे ये सारे ही आपको डिस्क्राइब करने हैं, जिसमें गिद्दा है, बाउल है, छऊ है और यक्षगान है। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डांस ओरिजिनेट, बांगड़ा, गरबा, मोहिनीअट्टम, एरियाज बताने हैं, कथक एंड बेम्बू डांस। विच इज़ द क्लासिकल डांस ऑफ इंडिया, वेयर डिड दे ओरिजिनेट, नेम 1 डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डांसर, एफर्ट्स एडिकेट प्रमोशन ऑफ द डांस एंड इफ नॉट व्हाट फर्दर मेजर। अगले क्वेश्चन से व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ द डांस। अगला है एक्सप्लेन द नवरसा ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन थ्रू द गेस्चर पोस्चर। अगला है ओडिसी डांस पोर्ट्रेट मोबाइल स्कल्पचर, डिस्क्राइब द एलिमेंट ऑफ मणिपुरी डांस, डू यू थिंक फोक डांस छऊ शुड बी गिवन टू द स्टेटस ऑफ क्लासिकल डांस। तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चन है जो मेंस के लिए थे।